to our latest video. This is going to be an introduction into what will be our next big build project. Commission build from us out of America. Project's going to be called Project Nashville, and it's going to end up in Little Rock, Arkansas. Whole team here are really excited about this build. It's going to be a really unique truck, lots of very bespoke elements. Going down similar lines to our Project Mars we did last year, but with a little bit more of a outdoorsy adventure sort of theme going to it. We've got a really lovely base vehicle for this project. It's a 1999 Defender 110, so first of the TD5s. Very low miles, only done about 60,000 miles. The vehicle was originally used as part of a hot air balloon company, so it was basically stored all winter indoors and then only brought out in the summers for short journeys to move the hot air balloons around. As such, it's one of the best chassis I've ever seen of a vehicle this age, basically no rust and super low miles. So perfect blank canvas for a build of this quality. This is going to be a really high spec build, as I said before, very similar to the one we did last year, Project Mars. It was kind of the inspiration for this vehicle. Going to have a very custom interior. Plan is to go with 2+2 captain's chairs with a custom second row seat box so that the rear seats can recline and slide. So it really is a genuine, comfortable four-seater. Other really nice things that are going to happen in here: front row AC, second row AC, and then we're going to put a really beautiful carpet set through it, some really lovely sort of Western themed tan leather seats, matching carpets, matching headlining, and then a really, really high-end audio system. On the outside of the vehicle, the client really wanted to keep that classic look, but wanted a little bit more of a modern twist. So we're going for a very retro color scheme. It's going to be quite a light kind of baby blue exterior, but done in a really modern way. Color we're going for is actually a Bentley color. It's called Silver Lake Metallic. It's really beautiful. It kind of flips between blue and silver and whites in it, really fresh, but should have that kind of classic retro theme to it as well. Probably going to match that up with some steel wheels, BFG tyres, probably colour code them, and then we'll go Alpine white roof, and then some subtle styling upgrades from our 4x4. We'll have some stainless steel rock sliders, some nice front bumper with the laser lights, probably a front runner roof rack so it has that kind of usability outside, and just a few little accessories that are going to make it ready for some adventures. So this is going to be a complete nut and bolt rebuild. Every last detail is going to be considered and touched with this. So we'll get everything stripped off, chassis off and sandblasted. Then we're going to bring it back in, and what's going to be really lovely with this build is we're going to completely paint the chassis almost as if it was like the exterior body panels. So give it that kind of show truck feel underneath, but make it really usable at the same time. We'll go through, rebuild the brakes, rebuild the suspension, engine will get a complete rebuild, have some upgrades, give it a bit more performance, and really give it the heart and soul that a project of this quality needs. This week we're going to be focusing on finishing off Project Balmoral. We've got to get that finished, filmed and handed over to the client. As soon as that's done, we'll be straight into Project Nashville. Really excited to get stuck into this project. So let us know what you think in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can see us in the next video. Thanks for watching.